Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to create a free blog website with Blogger for free. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Open Google on your browser. It should be logged in with a Gmail account. Top right corner you will find Google Apps. Click on that. Scroll a bit and select Blogger. Now it will take you to the Blogger website and ask for the name of your website. Give a name to your website. Now provide a domain name and click Next. Congratulations! Now you are an owner of a free website. Now from the left menu click on View Blog. Once you click on that, it should take you to your newly built website. So this is the interface of our brand new website. Now we have to make our website professional. For that we have to change the theme, create menu, change logo, and make few important pages. Just keep it in your mind that if you are able to customize only one theme on Blogger, then you will be able to customize almost any theme on Blogger. The basic process are same. To upload the theme, go to Theme option. Click on Customize. From there click Restore. The theme we are going to use today is SEO Boost. You can download this theme from Google for free. Choose the XML file from your computer. After uploading the theme, we can customize. To customize your blog, log into Blogger. From left menu, click on Layout. Now you can edit the layout of your website from here. Now we will create main menu if you want. Then you can add logo also. Now I will add menu from top navigation. In my theme, the option already available. I am going to delete the previous one so that you can easily understand the process. In the logo option, I will not give any logo right now. I'll just keep the website name. In this top menu, we will create few pages. Inside the main menu, I already had few categories. I will delete all of them and create new for you. The main menu content the categories of your website. When you write any post, you have to give the label of that post. That label will work as categories. Now I have to create few posts. I will not write full post here. I am just showing you how to make post on Blogger. When I make post, I will give the post label also. That label we require to make our main menu. The label will be according to the topic. Suppose, if I write about vegetable, then I will give the label vegetable. If you write something about iPhone, your label could be iPhone. I hope you understand the point. Now, I will make 5 posts. You also follow me and do the same for your website. After publishing the post, we can see the label on each post. From the categories, we'll click a label and copy the link of that label. We will put that link to our main menu. For the pages also, we will do the same way. At first we'll go to Page option. Click on Create Page. After that we will give title to our page. Write something about the page. I just giving you the demo. You should write full when you write about your page. After publishing the pages, we will take the link and put those linked to the top menu. In the same way we did for main menu. We will create 5 pages. These pages are very important for every website. We will create About Us, Contact Us, Privacy Policy, Disclaimer, and Terms and Conditions. From Layout section, any unwanted option or gadgets you can delete. If you want, you can customize your website footer also. Now our website already looking professional. This is the final version of our website. If you don't like this theme, you can change the theme anytime you want. After changing the theme, you just have to customize the same way we did for this theme. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.